Today we are at our 7th Diversity Summit. We have over 400 people right here at San Diego State University and the most amazing ideas floating around inside those buildings. I think it's a time for us to really get together as a culture and recognize that there is something that makes us special.
This event is such a great event because it really brings all these people from different backgrounds. How we champion people is to create that curiosity that allows us to learn from each other.
Well, statistically, what we do know about some diversity and inclusion, right, is the more diverse team you have, then the more impactful your team is, and the more better performance you have within a team. So I think it's relatively important that everyone should have some practices around diversity and inclusion and implement those in their team.
It's a privilege to have a whole team that's providing this whole curriculum of things that you can attend to learn about, if it's identity, if it's immigration experiences, it's just bringing people together and helping them be their most authentic selves, their most productive selves, their happiest, best selves at work.